In this video, I'm going to show you how to change version of Minecraft. So in order to do so, you'll need to open the official Minecraft launcher. And what you'll need to do is simply go and access the settings option on your launcher, and you'll have to check a box. I'll show you in a video because I cannot access my launcher at the moment. But as you can see, once you go to settings, you should have and check this show historical versions of Minecraft Java Edition in the launcher. Once you do so, you'll need then to just go and create a new installation. And of course, you can give it whatever name you want, and you have to click on the drop down and choose the version that you want. Whatever version you want, you can even choose a custom icon or game directory. Click on create, and once it's done with the installation, you can just go back and click on the play tab, and you can click on the drop down menu arrow next to the green play button, and from there you can select which version you want to play. So it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.